So today I just got this package. Is a brand new TV from Xiaomi. Xiaomi TV A series. So today I'm going to unbox this TV and let's just look what they have to offer and let's see how good is this TV really is. So let's start unboxing right now. So welcome to the Xiaomi family. So it's a welcome card from them. So now we're gonna unbox the TV. Just open this. Yeah. Here. Okay, let's go. Okay, when you unbox the TV, firstly you got this warning to hold the TV properly, and then you got this. Okay, these are actually the stand. All right, the stand. If you want to place this TV on your desk, okay, there are two stands. I don't know why. One is straight, one is white. No idea. And then you have some polystyrene finishing right here. Okay. Yeah, it's shipped well. Alright. And inside here you have the TV. Okay, let me just carry this out. And hold on a minute. Yeah. There you go. Okay. And inside here you also have the remote control, the wire, right? Some screws. I don't know why. So let's see what it has to offer. Alright, so we are now ready to remove this plastic. So this is the TV and it is Xiaomi's A series. It's a 32-inch TV. And why did I get this TV? Because there was a sale, so I got this TV. And let's see what do we have here. Here we have the instructions manual. Alright, it explains everything important. The slot, okay, and power button, and all the things necessary. And then you have this remote control, and with the remote control they have also included the batteries. Alright, the batteries. So as you can see here, there is a direct link to Netflix, YouTube, apps, Prime Video, Google TV, guys, Google TV. I bought this for about $180 and yeah, worth every penny, man. It's a 32-inch TV. I'm going to use it just for my computer, right? So let's look inside here. So here we have perhaps the power cable, and then you have a 2-pin power cable, right, intended to be used for clipping plugs. Alright, that's it. There is no HD cables given, HDMI cables given. If you want, you gotta buy it separately. There's only this remote control. But why I like this TV so much is because all the apps are pre-installed. You know, they are all pre-installed in this TV, and you can just right away start watching Netflix or Prime using this TV without downloading anything, which is cool. And the price is really cheap. It is a HD TV, and yeah. So I'm gonna try switching on this TV and showing you the quality of this TV right now. How do you switch on this TV? Come closer. So you have this plug point right here, the wire point something. You just place this into the plug point right here. Make sure you do not pressure the screen in front, and then just gonna plug this in. And now, yeah, you switch on. The light is on. So it's on. As you can see, Google TV, everything is pre-installed. Okay, let it load for a minute. Let's see what happens. So while it's loading, I'm just gonna tell you this. There is this protection film. All right, protection film. Before you use your TV, you make sure you remove this protection film. All right. Okay. And it comes out just like that. And there you go. So you gotta wait for this Google TV to load. All right. So let's just wait for a while. I'll see you again later. So while it loads, what you can do here is I'm going to fix this stand right here. Okay, so let's just remove this from the plastic first. So we already fixed the stand down here, and as you can see, it's ready to pair. Right, it says here to place the remote control 20 cm away. So once you place it 20 cm away, wait, and just hold it for 5 seconds, and that big sound right here tells you that it has connected successfully. So as you can see here, it's connecting to the Wi-Fi. Give it a minute to connect to the Wi-Fi. It's not connected, and let's look what this cheap 32-inch TV offers. Alright, yeah, it takes some time to load, and yeah, in the meantime, let me just explain to you that this TV has a very small bezel. As you can see here, the screen is right up till the end. There's a half-inch bezel around it, and down here you have the power button below here. So if you don't have this remote control, you can still switch off the power using the manual way, right? So on the remote control right here, you have a lot of things. Okay, you have these numbers, you have shortcuts to Netflix, YouTube, and the program, the volume, and everything else. And behind here, as you can see here, right, so this is the power source, and at this side, a very good thing about this TV is that you have this HDMI slot right here. HDMI slot, some USB slots. This is a satellite cable, right? And yeah, so now, as I told you, this TV has a built-in Google system, so you could sign in your Google account right through this TV. I'm gonna sign in my Google account and let's see what happens next. Alright, done setting up Google TV, and then the TV prompts you to choose either antenna, cable, or advanced options. Okay, in the advanced option, you still have antenna and cable. So for now, as you're not going to use this for any antenna or cable, you just click on skip. Alright, everything must be done with this remote control. Okay, agree with the terms and conditions, and it updates, and let's see what happens next. Alright, everything is done. Let's start exploring. Yeah. So we are now on the home page of the TV, and as you can see here, everything, these apps are all given together. You don't have to download anything. You have Netflix, Xiaomi TV, Patchwall, YouTube, Disney Hotstar Prime Video, and all other apps, right? So this is the Google TV by Xiaomi, and I'm going to show you how to use this TV as a desktop monitor, how to use this TV to mirror your iPhone and all these other stuffs related to the TV on the upcoming videos, alright? So see you guys later.